No, it's just noisy. For something that so once they get engaged in the air hormone in the back, this gets them to lift their legs a little higher and in the front. Okay. Yeah, it's so noisy. It's the poor way something. It's just noisy. I mean, it's probably annoying. If you're not tapping on your legs, it's annoying, but it's not painful. It's just more of a surprise for them.
But it's not the magic pink whip.
It's not the magic pink whip.
walk. Good. Now trot. Good boy. Center line, half pass. So my feet.
Differentiate what you were doing because I don't know why.
Center line, half pass. Yeah. He says they tend to splinter easily, break easily, so that takes us hold it together longer. Bending. Center line, half pass again. Slow down. No running. Circle. No running. Good. Center line, half pass. No running. I don't care if you feel slow. Bending. No running. Bending more right. Good. Center line, half pass. Good. No running. And over. And over. Yeah, get them over. Good. And circle. Oh, I know, we're so scared. Light, more expression here. Now a little bigger trot. Without running. Good. That's it. Good. More expression. Without running. Good. Better. And walk. Straight ahead. Walk. Trot walk again. Don't let it take so long. Good. And walk. Good. And trot. Good. And walk. Yeah. Lighter. And trot. And walk. Good. And trot. Good. And walk. Steady. Trot. Not running. Not running. And walk. The running can be helpful, but not all the time. Trot. Good. And walk. And trot. Change direction. Don't run. Good. Change direction. Trot. No running. Good. And trot. No running. Good. Walk. Let me see his piaffe. Easy. Yeah. Good. It's okay. It's okay. Less forward. Walk. More in place. Yeah. More in place. Less forward. Good. And walk. Good. And again, more in place. More in place. Less forward. You never know what you want. Yeah. Good. And walk. Good. And again, less forward. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't go anywhere. And yeah. Less forward. Yeah, now wake him up. But don't let him go anywhere. Uh-oh. Good. Good. And trot. Okay. Good. Trot. Good. Nice and easy. Good. And trot. Keep trotting. Light hand, nose forward. Just keep trotting. Just let him trot. Sometimes you gotta take the pressure off and just let him trot. Yeah, just let him trot. Just do nothing. Just let him trot. Circle. You're not good at doing nothing, Lisa.
Me?
Circle. Yeah. Do nothing. Just circle. Nothing. No big deal. Just nothing. That was something. I saw something happen. Nothing. I saw something. I don't want to see anything. I'm seeing a lot. Nothing. Yeah, exactly. Nothing. Nothing. Just coast. Neck up, nose forward. Very little. Very little. Yes. Just sit there. Do nothing now. Good. Yeah. Neck up, nose forward, do nothing. Guide his neck up a little. Let his nose out a little, and then do nothing. You have to become a lazier rider. That's it. Nothing. Good.
That was always better.
I saw that.
Yeah.
Change direction. Apple. Do nothing. Nothing. Just sit there. Good. Just sit there and do nothing. Enjoy the ride. Good. Okay, let him walk. It can be done. Good. You have to spend a little time every day doing nothing. You're getting too into chasing all the time. And that's on every horse.
Yeah.